Good day and welcome to this training session. In today's session we will be covering the following topic: accessing Wowza. In this particular instance, if you have a look at my browser, you would simply type the IP address with port 8088 to access the Wowza Engine Manager, which is the front end to enable you to manage Wowza. So in this particular instance, you can see I've got 66.18.78.78.92 port 8088, and this is the Centec Edge server. On first page, you'll be asked to skip the intro and then to provide your login credentials, which will be communicated in due course. If the system asks you in regards to the license key, simply push save. Once you have logged in, I've gone to another tab here, which is 66.18.78.90, which is the Centec transcoder/origin server. As you can have a look here, you can see that it is fully operational, up and running, and you can check several metrics of the Wowza Engine Manager and Wowza Streaming Engine. Let's log into this one. So here you can see I'm logged into the Centec Edge server, and on this tab I'm logged into the Centec transcoder/origin server.